How about this for the last story of the day? Story of perseverance. A man who applied for a job at Google 39 times he got rejected. 39 times they said, we're good. The guy's named Tyler Cohen. 40th attempt. He goes for number 40.
Nice.
And they say, you're on, buddy. You hit the threshold. You know that now that this story is out there, you know how many people are going to apply 40 times? They're just going to be like, well, that's all you have to do. You just have to hit 40. Sure. Tyler Cohen admits he towed the line between perseverance and insanity when he kept applying at Google despite facing multiple rejections. He shared a screenshot of his communication history with the tech giant on LinkedIn, showing emails dating back to 2019. This is from him, his quote. There's a fine line between perseverance and insanity. I'm still trying to figure out which one I have. Used to work at DoorDash, actually. Wanted to move over to Google. Okay. And shares the screenshot showcasing all of the thanks for applying at Google. You know those type of emails. Well, hey, we really appreciate your interest. Yeah. Thanks for trying again. And then eventually following up on your recent application to Google. And you're like, woo, but it takes 40 times. Yeah. Anyway, people love this post on social media, 36,000 reactions and hundreds of comments. And then the post reached Google itself. What a journey it's been, Tyler. It was definitely time. That came directly from Google. So they're congratulating him as well, saying it took 40 tries, but everything has worked out in his favor. I don't know what the message is here. I think 40's maybe a little much. I don't know that there's a rule on this thing. I don't think Google wants 40 applications. I don't know. This was another thing people were speculating is there any degree of randomness to the way this process works when you run a company with 100,000 employees? Is there a thing where you can't actually reference every single submission? So what you're able to even analyze is a limited number that make it into in front of humans, kind of like the way they run YouTube and censoring and things like that. And then this time around, the guy just won the lottery, essentially, not $1 billion, but a job at Google.
Yeah, I'm curious what he did differently here. Or was it just like an automated thing for him to just submit?
They use algorithms for everything else.
Sure.
Do they use algorithms for job applications?
Yeah.
Probably.
Curious.
Maybe.
Curious thing.
Anyway, thanks very much to everybody who watched here today. Shout out to the community. Shout out.
Shout out.
I know there's been a lot going on in our lives and your lives, and I want you to know that we're still here for you. We're always here for you. Yeah. That'll never change. So thank you to anybody who left a comment down below, talks to us on Twitter, or chats in that Discord. We'll be back, and we'll be better than ever. All right. Thanks.